physical quantities. All measurable quantities are called physical quantities, such as length, mass, time, and temperature. If a quantity possesses these two properties, then it is a physical quantity. These are its numerical magnitude, and the unit in which it is measured. If we say that the height of a student is 180 centimeters, then it is representing both the properties of a physical quantity. 180 is the numerical magnitude, while centimeters is the unit in which the height is measured. Remember, if we only say height is 180, then it is not a physical quantity, since it does not tell us about the units in which it is measured. So it is a must for physical quantity to have both magnitude and unit. Physical quantities are divided into two categories: based quantities, and derived quantities. Base quantities. Base quantities form the foundation or base of other physical quantities. In other words, quantities on the basis of which derived quantities are expressed are called base quantities. These are 7 in number, that is, length, mass, time, temperature, intensity of light, electric current, and the amount of a substance. Derived quantities. The quantities that are expressed in terms of base quantities are called derived quantities. These quantities include area, volume, velocity, acceleration, pressure, momentum, electric charge, electric, induction, etc. Before talking about the units, which are associated with the base and derived quantities, we need to know about the universally adopted system of units for physical quantities. This is to be noted that measuring does not always involve counting. To describe the physical quantities we need to know with which the quantities could be compared and expressed. This sounded in physics is known as a unit by that time. During the 11th General Conference on Weights and Measures held in Paris in 1968, the Universal International System of Units was accepted. This system is commonly referred to as SI system. Base units. The units used to measure base quantities are called base units. Well, length is measured in meter, time is measured in seconds, mass in kilogram, current in ampere, temperature in Kelvin, amount of substance in mole, intensity of light in candela. Derived units. The units used to measure the derived quantities are called derived units. Derived units are defined in terms of base units, and we get them by multiplying or dividing base units with each other. For example, acceleration is measured in meters per square second. For pressure is Pascal, that is, Newton per square meter. Velocity is measured in meters per second. For area, is square meter. For volume is cubic meter. For density is kilogram per cubic meter.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and support us. Like, share, and subscribe our channel, SKW. We will try our best to give simple and effective educational information via the use of the best animation.